Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, Friday, Saturday. It's Friday where I'm at, depending on where it is in the world that you are, whatever time it is. I hope you're having a great day. I am in this 2020 EcoSport, the 1.0 liter, and this is the one where I showed you the video. Sorry about that. The video where I found out the engine coolant temperature sensor, which is the one that is located next to the thermostat, not the cylinder head temperature sensor, is faulty. And I found that by hooking the computer up and monitoring the PID for the engine coolant temp sensor and the voltage. So when temperature goes up, voltage goes down, and the voltage was staying the same, and the temperature was right at about 118, 119 degrees. And then it tells me to take my infrared thermometer and point it at the back hose on the back side and see if there is a temperature change, or if there's a big difference between what my reading is and what it is on the computer. And I only had 89 degrees. And so I changed out the temperature sensor today. And I also had to change out the little coolant pump that's in the right front fender well, which is actually controls heat inside the cab. That one was faulty too. But I actually have the old temperature sensor here, and I will find a spot to pull over and I will show you what was wrong with this temperature sensor. Alright, I found a spot to pull over. This is the engine coolant temperature sensor, and the culprit. You see all that in there? It's got something inside of it, but also check this out. So, got a new sensor in it, got the new coolant pump in it. Temperatures is where it's supposed to be. And yep, right dead on. The codes are gone. I mean, this thing's good to go. I appreciate it, you guys. I love you. I'll see you on the next one.